Imagine earning money from the comfort of your own home, with just your laptop and an internet connection. Intrigued? Well, allow me to introduce you to RapidWorkers, a digital platform that's transforming the way we think about work and income. RapidWorkers is a bustling marketplace of microjobs and tasks from diverse fields. It's an opportunity to turn your free time into financial gain by completing simple, quick tasks. Whether you're a wordsmith, a data enthusiast, a social media maven, or a research whiz, there's something for everyone. The beauty of RapidWorkers is that it empowers you to earn money on your own terms, on your own schedule. It offers you the flexibility to choose tasks that align with your skills and interests. So, bid adieu to the daily commute and say hello to a world where your workspace is no longer confined to the four walls of an office. Getting started on RapidWorkers is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Firstly, you'll need to sign up. Head over to the RapidWorkers website and click on the Register button. You'll be asked to provide some basic information: your name, email address, and a password. Be sure to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Once you've filled in all the details, click on Create Account. You'll receive an email to confirm your registration. Click on the link in the email to verify your account, and voila! You're now a registered user of RapidWorkers. Now let's move on to the second step: creating your profile. Think of your profile as your online resume. It's the first thing potential employers will see, so it's crucial to make a good impression. Start by adding a professional-looking profile picture. This adds a touch of credibility to your profile. Next, fill in your skills and expertise. Are you a whiz at data entry, or perhaps you're a pro at social media marketing? Whatever your skills may be, make sure to highlight them here, but don't stop there. Include any relevant experience or past projects you've worked on. This helps to showcase your capabilities and the value you can bring to a task. Also, remember to keep your profile updated. As you gain more skills and experience, be sure to add them to your profile. The third step is all about setting your task preferences. RapidWorkers offers a wide variety of tasks, ranging from simple tasks like liking a Facebook page to more complex tasks like writing a blog post. Set your task preferences according to your skills and interests. This way you'll be matched with tasks that you'll enjoy doing and excel at. And just like that, you're ready to start earning. Trust me, the world of online work is a fascinating one, and with RapidWorkers, you're just a few clicks away from diving in. So go ahead, roll up your sleeves, and let's get to work. Navigating through RapidWorkers is a breeze once you know your way around. Let's dive right into how you can search for tasks on RapidWorkers. Picture a digital marketplace bustling with opportunities. That's what RapidWorkers is, and the search bar is your compass. Type in keywords related to your skills or interests, and voila, you've got a list of tasks that could be your next gig. Now, there's a whole universe of tasks on RapidWorkers, each falling into different categories. These could range from data entry, content creation, to even testing websites and apps. There's something for everyone. Now don't get overwhelmed by the range of options. We're here to help you navigate this digital bazaar. Every task on RapidWorkers comes with a brief description. This tells you what the task entails and what's expected of you. So, before you jump in, take a moment to understand what you're signing up for. Next, let's talk about selecting tasks that match your skills. Remember, RapidWorkers is a platform where your skills are your currency. The more you play to your strengths, the better you'll fare. So, when you're browsing through tasks, look for those that align with your skills. But wait, there's more. You don't have to limit yourself to your current skill set. RapidWorkers is also a great platform to learn new skills and expand your portfolio. Don't shy away from tasks that challenge you. After all, every challenge is an opportunity to grow. And finally, you'll notice that every task comes with a payout. This is the amount you'll earn upon successfully completing the task. So factor this in when you're selecting tasks. Make sure the payout is worth your time and effort. In a nutshell, navigating through RapidWorkers is all about knowing what you're good at, understanding what's expected of you, and making sure the payout is worth your time. Remember, the key is to select jobs that align with your skills and interests. Completing tasks on RapidWorkers is where the magic happens. This is where you turn your time and skills into cash. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a bit of magic? Now, the first rule of RapidWorkers Club is, you do not ignore task instructions. Okay, I may have borrowed that from Fight Club, but you get the point. Task instructions are your roadmap to success. They provide the guidelines and steps you need to follow to complete a task successfully. It's like your very own treasure map, leading you to the gold at the end. So, how do you complete a task? It's simple. You choose a task that suits your skills and interests, follow the instructions to the letter, And voila! You've completed your task. But remember, you're not quite done yet. You need to submit the completed task for it to count towards your earnings. Submitting completed tasks is as easy as pie. Once you've finished a task, you just hit the submit button and your task goes off for review. If it's approved, your account gets credited with the corresponding payment. It's like a game of fetch, but instead of a stick, you're throwing in your completed task and fetching some cash. Now you might be wondering, how are earnings calculated per task? Well, it's not rocket science. Each task has a set payment that you can see before you start. It's transparent and straightforward. No hidden fees or charges. The more tasks you complete, the more money you earn. It's as simple as that. And one last thing. Every task you complete doesn't just earn you money. It also boosts your reputation on the platform. It's like earning badges of honor. The more tasks you complete to the satisfaction of task posters, the higher your reputation soars. And a high reputation can open doors to more tasks and higher earnings. With every task you complete, you're not just earning money, you're also building your reputation on the platform. So roll up your sleeves and let's get to work. Because the more tasks you complete, the closer you are to making your dreams come true. Earning money is great, but accessing your hard-earned cash is even better. Now that you've completed tasks and have some earnings to your name, you might be wondering, how do I get my hands on my money? Well, let's shed some light on that. RapidWorkers makes withdrawing your earnings a breeze. But before we dive into the process, let's first understand when you can withdraw your earnings. Once your account balance reaches $4, you're eligible to withdraw your earnings. Did you just sigh in relief? Yes, the threshold is surprisingly low. So, how do you go about withdrawing your earnings? You start by heading to your dashboard. There you'll find an option that says, Withdraw. Click on that, and you're already halfway there. RapidWorkers offers several withdrawal methods. You can opt for PayPal if you prefer a direct deposit into your account, or you can choose Payza if you want to have an online wallet for your earnings. There's also the option of receiving a check by mail, which is a little old-fashioned, but still a solid choice for those who prefer a physical check in hand. Now you might be thinking, how long do I have to wait to see the fruits of my labor? Well, the withdrawal timeline can vary. PayPal and Payza transfers are usually processed within 2 to 3 business days, while checks can take up to 15 business days to arrive. So if you need your money quickly, PayPal or Payza would be your best bet. Remember, patience is key. The waiting period is a small price to pay for the convenience of earning money online. Besides, the anticipation of your hard-earned cash hitting your account, or that check landing in your mailbox, adds an extra layer of excitement to the whole process, doesn't it? So, there you have it. Your earnings are just a few clicks away. Now go ahead and withdraw those hard-earned dollars because you've earned it. Like any other platform, there are ways to maximize your success on RapidWorkers. Let's dive right into it. First off, select your tasks wisely. Not all tasks are created equal, some are more rewarding than others. So, spend time to find tasks that you are competent in and that offer a fair compensation. Next, maintain a high task completion rate. Remember, your reputation is everything. The higher your task completion rate, the more likely you are to be chosen for tasks in the future. So aim to complete every task you take on, and do it well. Lastly, consistently deliver quality work. It's not just about completing tasks, it's about doing them right. Your work reflects on you, so make sure it's something you're proud of. Remember, your success on RapidWorkers is in your hands. With these tips, you're well on your way to making the most out of RapidWorkers.